Welcome back to Dad Deals. If you saw my last video, you know that Harbor Freight is going to have a parking lot sale starting on Monday, October 7th. And if you remember that video, we thought the ad was pretty lackluster. It didn't really have a ton of huge deals. Well, that has all changed in the last 24 hours as Harbor Freight has just added a bunch of new items to this sale. So that's what this video is going to cover. This ad was leaked over on Reddit. I will link to that post in the description below. So stay tuned and I'll break down what was added and show you all the new deals. So again, this sale is going to kick off on Monday, October 7th for Inside Track Club members, and then everyone else can join in on Friday, October 11th, and the sale ends on Sunday, October 13th. So the first big additions to this sale is all clamps are going to be 30% off, which is a really rare thing. You rarely see, especially those high-end clamps go on sale, and 30% off is a really decent discount on those. So this is a great time to stock up, and I expect these clamps, especially on that higher end side, to go pretty quickly. So you'll want to get there early if you want those clamps. The other thing is 35% off all Drummond, Creekstone, and Predator pumps. Those are like your sump pumps and other utility pumps, things like that. You also have 40% off all of the Chief Air tools and accessories. So a very nice, generous discount there, 40% off all those products. So up here on page 2, this top section in the yellow is usually reserved for the bargain bin items, some really cheap items. But look right here, you see the Bauer Premium Auto Detailing Accessory Kit. This is an awesome kit that comes with a nice flexible hose, a much better upgraded hose than what normally comes on shop vacs, as well as a bunch of tips that are perfect for detailing your car. This is 33% off at just $20. That is a very good price for this. They've also added a bunch of Bauer tools in addition to the ones that were already there, like this 20-volt brushless cordless half-inch high torque impact wrench for $110. You also have the thickness planer from Bauer on sale for $300. That's $50 off the normal price, as well as your long throw random orbital polisher for $60, 25% off the normal price. Another sneaky item down here in the bargain bin is the random orbital sander from Bauer for just $18. That is an excellent price. One of the lowest I've ever seen. I think the lowest previous I've seen it is around $20, but that is 55% off the normal price. They also snuck in the Warrior cheap 3/8" drill kit with the battery and charger for just $15. So we talked about the Walmart tools and the Hyper Tough brand, and it looks like they're going to go head to head with Harbor Freight on these really budget level, super low cost tools. And it's always a good thing when you have more competition in the market. So here is the Warrior version for $15. They added the Predator gas powered pressure washer. This is really your top end level, 2650 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute rated. This one's going to be $300 at $50 off. You also have the Thunderbolt solar panel kit here. It's a 100-watt solar panel kit for $150. That is just $15 off, but a nice set there. There is the safe down here from Union for $320 that was just added. Your cheap battery sets are going to be just $1.98. Okay, there. You can often get these for free as a free item of the weekend. You also have the 2-ton compact trolley jack here for $25, 37% off. Some 5-gallon gas cans for $17. The medium Apache cases are going to be just $20. That's a great price, 33% off there. The drop hitch here, a 2-ball version from Hallmaster, is going to be $110. They also added some Viking jump starters. You have the 1700 peak amp one with the air compressor built in for $170, as well as a 1000 peak amp one that also has that 150 PSI air compressor. This is a new one, kind of a more compact version for just $70. That's 22% off the normal price. And then the popular tow-behind dump cart is going to be $120. Some Yukon items have been added as well. You have the 46-inch mobile workbench with the solid wood top. It's going to be $270, as well as this small 20-inch 3-drawer steel toolbox at $48. If you haven't already seen those leaks and you remember my video covering the Cobalt kind of small desktop cabinet, Harbor Freight is going to come out with their own on Black Friday. They're going to be just $10, so I would wait on this. I wouldn't buy this right now and wait for those $10 mini US General boxes that are going to be available on Black Friday. Some additional bargain bin items down here. You have the peg type socket trays, some E-tracks, as well as the stadium chair over here for just $25. Some more items added is the 2-in-1 nailer and stapler is going to be $20 again. You also have the 1250 lumen rechargeable work light that also has a battery bank built in so you can charge any devices from it. That's going to be just $20. The premium air compressor kit is going to be just $18. And your 1/2-inch drive deep socket set in standard or metric is going to be $20. The Grant steam cleaner is going to be the lowest price I have ever seen it. It's going to be 50% off at just $20. I did a whole video reviewing this, so go check that out if you're interested. I love mine. I use it for all sorts of stuff, and $20 is an absolute killer deal for that. Some great deals on some power strips. The US General magnetic power strips available in any of those colors with the 2 USB ports will be $25, as well as that super long 12 outlet 4-foot metal power strip for $15. Your Viking battery charger and maintainer will be $25. And look at this over here, the 3/8" drive gold-plated ratchet from Icon has been added for $40. That's 33% off the normal price. I think that was the Black Friday deal last year, so it's nice to see that added to this parking lot sale if you're interested. The Yukon wooden workbench is $140. That was just added. And then down here, some final stuff. You have the swivel vise and anvil will be $45. The 4-gallon backpack sprayer has been added for $20. And the hardwood solid deck dollies will be $20 as well. So a lot of stuff just added. I wanted to release this quick video just giving you guys the update. I think this makes this parking lot sale a lot better than it was before. As always, if you find my videos helpful, like them, subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of videos coming up. These deals are getting hot. We're getting closer to Black Friday and the holiday season. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.